हेडलाइन बनाई जा रही हैं, सुर्खियां बटोरी जा रही हैं, लोगों का ध्यान बाकी तमाम मुद्दों से हटाकर नेशनल हेरल्ड पर क्यों लाया जा रहा है? कभी पूछिए आप। अभी जब हम यहां बात कर रहे हैं तो संसद में चल रहा है, एक चर्चा चल रही है, डिबेट्स चल रही हैं कि महात्मा गांधी के नाम से जो स्कीम है, महात्मा गांधी का नाम हटाया जा रहा है। ये सब कुछ जुड़ा हुआ है। महात्मा गांधी हो या नेशनल हेरल्ड हो, ये सब स्मृति चिन्ह है उस लंबे संघर्ष के जिसकी वजह से हमें और आपको आजादी मिली। आपको पता होगा कि नेशनल हेरल्ड पर अंग्रेजों ने प्रतिबंध लगाया था, और आज ये वही लोग जो उस वक्त मुखबिरी की साजिशें रचते थे, आज फिर नेशनल हेरल्ड के खिलाफ साजिशें रच रहे हैं। ये साजिशें इसलिए रची जा रही हैं।
A Delhi court on December 16th declined to take cognizance of the Enforcement Directorate's money laundering case against Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and 5 others in the National Herald matter, holding that the agency's prosecution was not legally sustainable. Special Judge Vishal Kogne ruled that the ED's complaint under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act could not proceed because it arose from a private complaint filed by BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy and not from an FIR relating to a scheduled or predicate offence. The court said taking cognizance in such circumstances was impermissible in law. It also noted that the Delhi Police Economic Offences Wing had already registered an FIR in the matter, making it premature to rule on the ED's case at this stage. The court, however, allowed the ED to continue its investigation. The agency has said it will challenge the order. The Congress welcomed the decision, saying that the court had found the ED case to be without jurisdiction and accused the Modi government of misusing investigative agencies to target the opposition. BJP leaders countered by alleging that the Congress was reacting out of panic. Several opposition leaders described the case as politically motivated. The case relates to allegations that Congress leaders conspired to illegally take control of Associated Journals Limited, the publisher of the now defunct National Herald newspaper. Swamy had alleged in 2012 that AJL's properties, including prime real estate in Delhi and Mumbai, were taken over for a nominal amount. The ED has claimed that these assets originally meant only for newspaper operations, while later commercially exploited, generating proceeds of crime worth hundreds of crores.